Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Photoshop on how to change the colour of this helicopter, or in case you have any other image we can change any other colour of object. First thing that we're going to do is open up this picture. I've taken this photograph myself, so that's why we're in Lightroom. I'm just going to open it up now. We are of course working in Photoshop, that's what this is about. Just waiting for it to load up, there we go. First thing that I'm going to do is just size it down a little bit, just so it's a bit quicker to work with on the computer, but this can of course work in any size. We create a new layer. It's a good habit to get into, to just copy the background, which is your original image, onto a new layer like that, so that any changes you make to the image can be changed back and forth. You add a new layer with that icon at the bottom and delete as I've just shown you. You go to Images, Adjustments and Replace Colour down near the bottom. You select somewhere on the yellow of the helicopter, so the computer knows which colour you're wanting to change, and you increase the fuzziness, and you can see there's a vague outline of the yellow there, which is indicating that's what's going to be changed in white. What's black is going to be left completely alone. You can add more colours by clicking Shift and clicking again. In this case we've added the white as well. So you press Alt and click, and to get rid of the white, all that I did there was press Alt, click and drag a little bit to get rid of all. You can see there that the fuzziness as we're dragging it down, it's not brilliant. So the best way to do it is to get the fuzziness near the middle, pressing Shift, add some of the colours until you've got the vague shape of the helicopter. Dragging this hue slider, then you're starting to change the colours. You can see we've missed a bit of yellow, so what I'm going to do is press Shift, click again on the bits that I've missed, and there we go. We've got pretty much yellow helicopter. I'm looking up there at that little thing and thinking, is it supposed to be like that or not? So I'm going to click on it anyway, and it seems to have done a perfect job there on changing it green. Now we move this hue slider and we can change it to any colour we want. It's actually done a really good job here. You can also change the saturation, but it at the top end looks ridiculous. It depends what effect you're trying to achieve. Do you want it to look realistic? Do you want it to look stupid? Same with the lightness. Top ends, bottom ends look ridiculous. Try and keep them somewhere near the middle, if not the middle. Although if you're doing anything more complicated, such as trying to change the colour of somebody's lips or something like that, you will need to mess around with the slider. When you're done, hit OK, and there you go. Saving the image as a Photoshop file will preserve both layers, so you've got your original. If you save it as a JPEG because you're wanting to upload it for the internet, for example, it'll just save what you have visible on the screen at the moment, in this case a pink helicopter. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and join me for the next one. It's my first one, please leave any feedback.